Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja's algorithm. Today I am taking the topic of trigonometry but in a short way, means short tricks, जिसमें आपको competitions में देने में बड़ी आसानी होगी. बहुत अच्छे topics लिए हैं, बहुत अच्छे tricks हैं. आप first से last तक पूरा video. First question is sine 3 theta plus sine 5 theta plus sine 7 theta plus sine 9 by only the function is different, it become cos, angle remains same, 3 theta, 5 theta, 7 theta and 9 theta. I wrote the answer directly 10 6 theta. Similarly for the second one also, cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta by only the function was different, angle remains same. I wrote the answer directly cot 5 theta. These are the tricks that you have to use in the competition, but for that what was the trick? See here, let's start with the trick. Sine theta 1 plus sine theta 2 till sine theta n by cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 till cos theta n is equal to 10. How many are there? You need to add it and by the total number. This become the formula. For the first one, what we did, it's become 10 3 theta plus 5 theta plus 7 theta plus 9 theta by how many are there? 4. It become 10 24 by 4 and you got 10 6 theta is your answer. Second one similarly, because it is the reciprocal of that, so 10 become cot and it become cot 3 theta plus 5 theta plus 7 theta by 3. Then it will be cot of 8 plus 7 15 by 3. Answer become cot 5 theta. How easy it is. Now some important facts about that. There are 3 formulas that I have written. Sine theta into, if it is sine 60 minus theta and 60 plus theta, the answer would be 1 by 4 of sine 3 theta. Similarly for the cos and similarly for the 10, the cos become 1 by 4 cos 3 theta and the 10 become 3 theta. Now according to these 3 facts, we will solve the question. The first one is sine 20, sine 40, sine 60 and sine 80. How to solve it? I know only this angle. I will keep it away. Sine 60 degree means it become root 3 by 2. Take it all the down parts in inside, sine 20, sine 40 and sine 80. Now root 3 by 2. Make it the smaller angle, remain same, and sine 40 ko I can write 60 minus 20 and sine 80 ko I can write 60 plus 20. If I am compare with this one to this one, I will get my answer root 3 by 2, 1 by 4 of sine 3 theta. Theta is 20 degree. Now the answer will be root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4. Sine 60 degree is again root 3 by 2. My answer become 3 by 16. Cos 20 degree plus 8 sine 70 degree, sine 50 degree, sine 10 by sine square 80 is our next question. How to do it? Cos 20, I don't know the value. Keep it like that only. Now in this also, I don't know any of the value. Keep it in a bracket. What is the lower value, lower angle? Sine 10 degree. Keep it sine 70 ko I can write 60 plus 10 and 50 ko I can write 60 minus 10. Now the value will be comparing with our facts, sine square 80 degree. Now please check it the formula. Now it become cos 20 degree plus it become 1 by 4 of sine 3 into 10 because 10 is our theta by sine square 80 as it is. Now change will be cos 20 degree plus 1 by 4. What is sin 30 degree? Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. I got it. Cos 20 degree plus 1 by 8. This become sin square 80 degree. 1 minute. This become 1 by 4 of sin 30 degree. Forgot to write 8. Sorry. So it become 8 into that. This and this got cancelled. I got cos 20 degree plus 1 by sin square 80 degree. Now all of you know about the formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Then 1 plus cos 20 degree is 2 cos square 20 by 2 by sin square 80 को if I want to write, I can write 90 minus 10. I can write, and we know that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. I can cancel this term. Got the answer as 2. Now the next thing for the short tricks is the method of substitution. The first one is the value of 6 sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta minus 9 of sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta plus 4 is what? If you solve this question, you can solve it. There will be a long procedure, but for the competition, again the same thing we need to think of. Let it be. I wrote it method of substitution. Let be putting some values. I didn't write the options. Let's write the options first. A is minus 3, means the first option, and 0, and C will be 1, and D will be a 3. We will check it what would be the answer. Let it be. I will put theta is equal to 0. We have to put some values, means like a lower values, that we can solve it easily, nothing else. Now it become sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Minus of 9, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. 1 to the power 6 or 1 to the power 4, it will be 1 only. Like 6 minus 9 plus 4. 10 minus 9 is the 1. We got answer in only one step. Please check it. C is our option. Now the second one also I took it the same method of substitution. The value of cos alpha sin beta minus gamma, cos beta sin gamma minus alpha, cos gamma sin alpha minus beta is what? If we do by the normal procedure, what we do, we will expand this one, this expand, and then add it, and whatever the cancel will come, like this which happens. But how to do? Very simply, I am doing alpha, beta and gamma, put it equals to 0. Let it be. Cos alpha 0 is 1, and sin beta minus gamma is 0 only. Similarly, cos beta means 0, 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Answer is 0. मस्त है ना? A is our option. अगर आपको देखने हैं तो आपको और भी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. This is the end of the today's video. मुझे लगता है आप लोगों को पसंद आ रहा होगा, लेकिन आप लोग प्लीज लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, जिससे कि मैं और इतने ही अच्छे वीडियोस आपके लिए बनाऊं.